Welcome to Daily English Talk. Today's episode is a warm, cozy Christmas story called A Christmas Surprise. In this lesson, you'll practice natural English conversation through a heartwarming story about Tom and Anna, two friends who discover that Christmas magic sometimes appears in the smallest moments. We'll listen to real dialogues, learn new expressions, and enjoy a charming holiday adventure together. So grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's begin our Christmas journey. It's early Christmas morning. The world outside is covered in snow, and inside the apartment, Anna is the first to wake up.
Tom, wake up. You're going to miss the best part.
Unless the best part is letting me sleep more, I'll pass.
Nope, not today. Look outside.
Whoa, it's snowing. Like, really snowing.
Beautiful, isn't it? A perfect Christmas morning.
Okay, worth waking up for. Still freezing, though.
That's because our heater is slow. But hey, that's part of the charm.
I strongly disagree, but fine.
Tom and Anna begin preparing the apartment for Christmas. There's a lot to do, and Tom is not fully awake yet.
Tom, can you help me hang the wreath?
I just woke up. Can we start with something safer, like thinking?
No. Grab the ladder, please.
If I fall, I'll blame Christmas.
Relax, I'm holding it. See? Safe.
Okay. Done. Looks good, right?
It looks great. Now, candles. Pick a scent. Vanilla, cinnamon, apple, or pine forest.
Which one smells the most like I want to eat everything?
Cinnamon.
Yes. Perfect. There. Much better.
Now the room smells like a bakery. I approve.
Next, they move on to the Christmas tree. And this is when things get interesting.
Okay, Tom, this time, no putting all the ornaments on one branch.
That was one time, 2 years ago.
And yet, unforgettable.
Fine, I'll be good. Hey, look at this ornament. The little Santa.
Oh, I bought that last year because it reminded me of you.
Excuse me? How does that look like me?
Round, cute, cheerful, a little clumsy.
I am not round.
Sure.
All right, star time. Let me put it on top.
Don't drop the tree this time.
That was the cat's fault.
Wow, so beautiful.
Yep, and still not as pretty as...
As what?
As... the snow. Yeah, the snow.
Okay.
Just when the room begins to feel festive and perfect, Anna remembers something important.
Tom, where's the gift for your sister?
The gift?
Tom.
I might have forgotten to buy it.
You what?
I'm sorry, I got distracted and busy and sleepy. Mostly sleepy.
We're going to the Christmas market right now.
Yes, ma'am.
The Christmas market is full of light, music, and the smell of warm food. Tom is instantly distracted.
Anna, look! Hot chocolate!
Tom, focus. Gift first.
But it's calling my name.
Fine. 1 cup. Only 1.
Christmas in a cup.
Can I have a sip?
No.
Tom.
Kidding. Here.
Oh, look, Tom. Snow globes. These are beautiful.
Whoa, look at this one. A tiny Christmas village inside.
Shake it.
Okay, this is amazing. This is the one.
Let's get it wrapped.
Perfect. Mission accomplished.
See, shopping isn't so hard.
With you, everything is easier.
What?
Let's go home. It's cold. Bye.
On the walk home, the snow falls quietly, making everything feel calm, almost magical.
Tom, your ears are so red.
That's called fashion. Winter fashion.
Uh-huh, sure. Here, take my scarf.
No, you take mine.
We can share.
Okay, sharing is nice.
We look ridiculous right now.
Ridiculously festive.
Back home, it's time to make Christmas dinner. Unfortunately, Tom in the kitchen is a dangerous thing.
Tom, slice the potatoes.
Easy. Why do my slices look like different continents?
Because you're cutting like you're drawing a map.
It's the world traveling potatoes.
No, it's chaos. Marinating the chicken.
Let me season the chicken.
No, you always add too much salt.
Not true.
Tom, last time the chicken tasted like the ocean.
Fair.
Soup disaster.
Anna, the soup. It's boiling too fast.
Turn it down. Turn it down.
I'm trying. It's fighting me.
Sound of loud bubbling, calming down. We survived. Good job.
I need emotional support chocolate.
Taste test. Here, try this.
Slurp. Whoa. Anna, this is amazing.
Really?
Really? It tastes warm, like home.
Thank you, Tom.
And of course, no Christmas is complete without cookies.
Time to shine. I'm the cookie master.
The what now?
Look, I made a snowman cookie.
Tom, that looks like an alien.
A cute alien.
An alien that needs help.
Okay. I'll make a heart-shaped one.
Oh, that's nice.
It's for... Don't worry about it.
With the food ready and the tree glowing softly, Tom and Anna sit down for Christmas dinner.
Anna, tonight feels different.
How?
I don't know. It just feels warmer, happier. Maybe because we did everything together.
Yeah, I feel it too.
And, Anna, I really like you. Not just as a friend.
Tom?
I didn't want to ruin anything by saying it, but Christmas felt like the right time.
Tom, I like you too. I've liked you for a long time.
Really?
Yes. Merry Christmas, Tom.
Best Christmas ever.
Thank you for joining us in today's Christmas story on Daily English Talk. Let's review a few useful words from today's episode. Wreath, ornaments, wrap a gift, snow globe, seasoning, confession. We hope you enjoyed this cozy Christmas adventure, and we wish you a warm, joyful, magical holiday season. See you in the next Daily English Talk episode. Merry Christmas!